What's going on, Big Bay family? It's your boy Big Bay Joe, and you know I'm coming back with it with some more heat, and you want to watch this video to the very end. First and foremost, if you're new here, make sure you leave a comment below and let me know that you're new here, because I like to welcome all my new members, and I want to welcome you to the family personally, and I appreciate you tuning in. Not only do you need to leave a comment below, you need to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bells on, because you know I'm going to be dropping videos every single day. And all I drop is bangers, so you don't want to miss it. But if you've been here before, you know I don't like my time being wasted, so I'm not here to waste yours. So we're going to get right to it. Today, we're going to be talking about institutions that do soft pull credit limit increases. So a lot of people know that some institutions do hard pulls. They give you a hard increase just from getting a credit limit increases. But so I'm going to tell you the simple institution that don't. And obviously here you're going to see the Apple Card. I recently made a video about the Apple Card and how you can get this credit card with no hard inquiry. Now I'm going to include this into your soft pull credit limit increases. All right. This is one of those cards where you have to go to the wallet. If you don't have an iPhone, you can't really get this card, but it's a wallet section in your iPhone, and you go into that. Once you go into the wallet, they have a section where you click on 3 dots, and then you can message support and basically tell them that you want a credit limit increase. And once you tell them that you want a credit limit increase, they're going to make you update your annual income. And after you update your annual income, they will tell you whether you're approved or not, right? So it takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes it takes less than that. Sometimes it takes less than a minute. But the thing about Apple Card, you can go into the wallet app and request an increase every single day, and it won't really hurt you. Okay, you can't actually get an increase every day, but let's say you get denied for an increase. If you get denied for an increase, you can really apply every single day and it won't really affect you, right? But if you do get an increase, you can only apply every 3 months, right? So that means that you can apply tomorrow if you get an increase today, but they're going to send you a letter in the mail, or they're going to send you an email saying you just recently got an increase, so we can't increase you this time. So again, this is a soft pull credit limit increase, and if you have the Apple Card and you want to get an increase, go try it right now and let me know what happens, and leave it down in the comments. All right, now the next institution we're going to talk about, Navy Federal Credit Union. All right, so Navy Federal Credit Union, you obviously have to become a member, and there's requirements to become a member. I've actually made a video on how you can become a member, so y'all want to go check that out. So with Navy Federal, you can apply for credit limit increases within the app, right? They have a mobile app, and once you go on the mobile app, you can click your credit card and click the information about your credit card. They have an option that says credit limit increases. When you go to credit limit increase, you basically update your information and type in the amount. So with Navy Federal's cards, they have a max of 50,000 on the increases, right? And they have an 80,000 max with the flagship credit card, right? The flagship, you can go all the way up to 80,000, but with the cash rewards, the more rewards, the gold rewards, and the platinum, it goes up to 50,000. But the thing is about their credit cards is you can only have an accumulative amount of 80,000 total, right? So you can't have a $50,000 cash rewards, a $50,000 more rewards, and an $80,000 flagship. You can have a $20,000 cash rewards and a $30,000 more rewards and a $30,000 flagship, because that equals up to 80,000. But if you want to get the full $80,000 amount on a flagship, you can only have one card. For example, if you get the flagship card, that can only go up to 80,000, and you can't have another card, right? If you get to the 80,000 threshold, you can't go higher than that. If you happen to get an increase and it goes higher than that, they're going to take it down later on, right, and bring you under that. So it's very simple to do it. If you're looking to get a credit limit increase with Navy Federal, go ahead. And again, if you get it, let me know down in the comment. All right, so the next institution we're going to talk about is Marcus by Goldman Sachs. So Marcus by Goldman Sachs, they have credit cards, and they also have lines of credit, right? So with the credit cards, it's pretty much the same as the Apple Card, right? With them though, specifically, if you get their card today, you won't be able to apply for a credit limit increase for 6 months. So you have to have the card for at least 6 months before you apply for your first credit limit increase. And you can't do it through the mobile app. You have to actually go on an online web browser, log into your account, and you're going to have an option to do it. I'm explaining all this to y'all But if y'all want me to make videos with me actually walking y'all through how to do it, I will. Leave it down in the comments, and I'll be happy to do it. But again, you gotta wait 6 months, and then after that, it's pretty much like the Apple Card. You can apply for an increase every day, but you can only get an increase every 3 months, right? So the next institution we're gonna talk about is gonna be Wells Fargo. So if you have a card like the Wells Fargo Active Cash card or the Wells Fargo Reflect card, you can actually get a soft pull credit limit increase. But the difference between these cards and other cards, like I told y'all, you actually have to call in to get a credit limit increase, right? You can't just go through the app. You can't go through the online browser. There's no option for you to increase your credit through the app, right? So you have to call in. You have to update your income with a representative, and you have to tell them what limit you want. I remember asking a representative, how much is their limit? It was like, we actually don't have a limit on these cards. So you can request any limit you want. You know, they probably didn't know what they were talking about, but that's what they told me. I was told they don't have a max limit on these cards. So you can ask for 100,000, right? And they update your annual income. You can ask for 50,000 and then you update your annual income. And they'll send you a letter in the mail if you get approved or not. But more than likely, if you get approved, it's just going to show up. I remember getting approved for an increase. One of my limits went from 3,000 to 25,000. They didn't send me any information, but I looked into the app and I was like, whoa, okay, I got a $25,000 limit. Cool. And they didn't tell me anything, but I got a letter probably 2 weeks later saying I got approved. So I just gave y'all 4 credit institutions that offer soft pull credit limit increases. So this is for people that have low credit limits and they want to increase their credit without getting more credit cards or more hard pulls. All right. If you got low limits and you're looking to increase your limits over time, do exactly what I just told you, because you're only gonna get a soft pull. It can't hurt anything. It can only help you. All right. So if you have gotten credit limit increases with any of these institutions, let me know down below. Right. We're gonna celebrate our wins with you. Tell me what your limit is. Tell me what you do to increase your credit too. Right. Tell me if they hard pulled you. Tell me if it's some instances where they hard pulled you. I'm telling you, this is soft pulls from my experience, but some people might have different experiences. So let me know down in the comments below if you don't have any of these credit cards and you're looking to go get these credit cards. I've made several videos about how you can do that, so you want to go tap into those videos. And again, I appreciate y'all watching. If y'all have any more video ideas for me, let me know and I will be more than happy to make that video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn the notification bells on, because you know I'm gonna be dropping videos every single day and you don't want to miss it. And always remember, the top ain't going nowhere. You just got to get there. Let's get it.
Had to go and get it. Steady grinding just behind the scenes. I've been on a mission. Gotta touch him by any means. Till we can go high five.